Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If the default power plans like balanced, power saver or high performance are missing from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC, don't worry, you can restore them easily. Sometimes power plans disappear after Windows updates, system tweaks or registry changes, but the good news is that Windows 11 includes a built-in command to restore all default power schemes. In this video, I will show you the correct way to restore missing default power plans. So let's get started. First, click on the start button, then type cmd. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry and select here run as administrator. If user account control prompts, click on the yes button. Now you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description. powercfg space hyphen restore default schemes. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This command resets and restores all built-in default power plans. After running this command, close the command prompt. Now open control panel and go to hardware and sound, then power options. You should see here all the power plans restored. If you see only the balanced power, as you can see on my screen, don't worry, this is normal on many modern Windows 11 laptops. Windows 11 devices that use modern standby often show only balanced in the classic power options window. The other power behaviors are controlled using power mode. To access them, open Settings app, then select System in the left sidebar. On the right, click on Power and Battery. Here under Power mode, you can see Balanced, Best Power Efficiency and Best Performance option. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.